Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Aslina binti RAHMAN and my number matric is A19808559. We are from group 5. Our group decided to choose to form a bakery business. Our company name is Heavenly Sweet Bakery. So I'm here to present my part, which are name of business, nature of business and organization structure. Firstly, name of company or business. For our business, we have choose bakery business and we name our shop with Heavenly Sweet Bakery. The word from heavenly is come from heaven and sweet is we took from our menu. The company is Bumi Putra Company and this company are founded by shareholders. Also, we have target various group. For example, old, young and children. Heavenly Sweets Bakery have various menu like bread, cakes, donut and so on. Secondly, nature of business. Confectionery food in Malaysia is expanding. Bakery and pastries are example of confectionery-based foods. Malaysia are increasingly opting for bakery and pastries. For example, breads, cakes, donuts and so on. Also, we have to get additional knowledge and equip ourselves with high skill before forming the organization. Based on expertise at numerous cake shops near our household, we can prepare, produce and decorate the cakes. This is our organization structure, which are we have general manager as our boss, we have administration manager, financial manager and operational manager.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is AISYAH binti ISMAIL. My number matric is A19800509. Okay, for the first of my part is product or service offered. A Heavenly Sweet is a business that manufacture and sell baked goods made from flour, such as bread and cake. We have our own recipe for making delectable cakes and bread that are tailored to the preference at our customer. A Heavenly Sweet has catered to special events such as a wedding, anniversary, birthday celebration, and other gathering. Secret Bakery also creates specialist baked goods for persons who have food allergy or sensitive to almond, peanut, dairy, or gluten. Customers can make order through the website and cash on delivery costs are computed based on the distance between the sender and the destination.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURFARHANA WAHEEDA binti MOHAMMAD NORDDIN and my matrix number is A19800670. So today I would like to present about my part, which is design of good and service and the conclusion. First, product decision. We will have a wide variety of cakes and breads for the decision. As a result, consumers have a range of buying opportunities. Heavenly Sweet included a variety of desserts, donuts, and rolls. We also list each category of product with its own name to make it easy for consumers to recognize the type of design of each product. Donut varieties include donut cheese, donut hazelnut, donut peanut and so on. The same can be said for other things. Each commodity will also be placed once at a price per item. Aside from that, each commodity sold has its own unique design and style in order to draw buyers. Next, product strategy option. First was differentiation. The primary goal of differentiation strategy is to gain a competitive advantage. A company will normally do this by examining its own strengths and limitations, as well as the demands of its consumers and the total value it can offer. When compared to other retailers, every product in our store will have a distinct taste and look. Second was rapid response. One of the characteristics of bad customer service is a failure to respond to client requests on time. So because of that, we will use consumer input to enhance product quality in terms of both flavor and quality. Third was low cost. A pricing strategy in a corporation provides a cheap price in order to increase demand and obtain market share. So because of that, we supply our consumers with competitive costs for our items that are assured to be of high quality and flavor. Then product life cycle. So for an introduction, we will do product research for our bakery. Second, for growth, we will offer a number of options from which they may pick. Third, for maturity, we will keep our product up to date by conducting research on other bakeries and developing new products. And last, for decline was discontinue offering on the product until it makes a significant contribution to the organization. Next, product value analysis. First, work on design to make improvements to all of our goods. Second, seek advancements that will result in a better product that can be produced more affordably and with less environmental effect.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Hayati binti Mama Amri. My metric number is A19A0573. I will discuss and present about my part A, which is managing quality. Quality assurance (QA) systems are used in the food sector to assure food safety and quality in order to avoid liability claims and to create and retain business reputation. Heavenly Sweet Bakery quality management assures that an organization, product or service is consistent. Six Sigma is one of the 7 total quality management that we use at Heavenly Sweet Bakery, a program aimed at reducing faults, lowering costs, saving time, and increasing customer happiness. A true methodology for obtaining and maintaining commercial success. Through this concept, our bakery can determine the purpose, scope, and output of the project, then identifying the process information required by keeping in mind the definition of customer quality. Measure the bread preparation process and collect sales and customer data. In addition to being able to analyze data, ensure that repeatability and of bread sales. In addition, we can improve by changing our redesigning and the existing process and also produce in this bakery. The management of Heavenly Sweet Bakery is also able to control the new process to ensure the level of performance is maintained at an optimal level. Quality is determined by what a customer wants and is willing to pay for. It is a written or unwritten promise to a known or unknown market customer. As a result, quality might be defined as fitness for intended use, or how effectively the product fulfills its intended goal.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NORFARHANI binti ADNAN and my metric number is A19A0549. Today I would like to present about process and design capacity of Heavenly Sweet Bakery. Process design focus on determining what the organization will do to achieve financial goals and other objectives. So in Heavenly Sweet Bakery making the process of cake for our customer, we use a process flow chart in completing cake orders from customer within a specific time. Design capacity refers to the planned maximum number of service or output rate and effective capacity within a given period according to the suitability of the situation. For most firms, the capacity will be planned if can be seen clearly and effectively as it is the expectation of the company to be achievable given the current operational constraints. Both of these capacity functions can be used to find efficiency and use. In one day, Heavenly Sweet Bakery will provide 10 tie according to the customer's order, and also for ready stock if the customer comes to the store want to buy a cake but does not place an order. They can choose ready-made stock cake for us to decorate according to the customer's taste. In addition to cake, we also sell a variety of flour-based food such as bread, cookies, cake, pastry, and pies.
Hi, my name is NURFARHANI binti SAIDIN. My number matric is A1980552. I will present about location strategy and supply chain management. Strategic location is a key element to business success. The location strategy is to obtain the optimal and efficient location for a company by identifying the needs, vision, mission, and objective of established enterprise. There are various factors to determine the strategy location. First, the size of the business. This aim is to provide a space venue as well as receive a large number of customers at one time. Therefore, Heavenly Sweets Bakery provides a vast business area to meet customer satisfaction and comfort. Besides, Heavenly Sweets Bakery location strategy is infrastructure facility. Infrastructure development can help our business to meet the needs of customer. For the example, we provide a waiting area and also provide parking. This is because to avoid conjunction or accidents between our customer with another people. Lastly, total of cost. The total cost is also taken into account in our location strategy. This is because the company must determine the maximum amount of cost to pay for build the Heavenly Sweets Bakery business premise. The total cost need to be least to ensure not loss occur as well as to be able to adjust the business to the number of companies available. This is also to avoid unplanned costs.
Okay, layered strategy. Layer is one of the most important factor that affect the long-term efficiency of operation. There are many different sort of layer methods such as office layer, retail layer, and warehouse layer. It is important to renovate, decorate, and evaluate the bakery environment on a regular basis. The position of the in-house designer department is critical since it helps to monitor and develop the bakery's environment. Heavily sweet interior and exterior design are both appealing and lovely. Human resources and job design. Human resources are the individual who make up an organization, business, sector, industry, or economy workforce. Human capital is a more specific notion that refers to the information that individual possess. Heavenly Sweet Human Resources Department should invest in recruiting and training personnel to help the company grow. Human Resources has a plan that must be applied to employer. Work design is the process of defining the tasks that comprise a job for a person or a group. That's all. Thank you.
Supply chain management. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services that encompasses all the process to transport raw material into final product. First, raw material. The Heavenly Sweet Bakery business buy a variety of needs ingredient from supplier who are also farmer and agriculture cooperative that they suitable of supplier who offer the low price. Second, manufacturing. This manufacturing process special depends on the company's plan for the next stage. So, if our company plans to ship full worldwide, it must include preservative during the manufacturing process.
Next, distribution. The level of distribution can be done easily using many different channels. For example, Heavenly Business Bakery sell items directly to consumer through the store or website that we provide. And the last point of supply chain in our business is delivery. A large number of customer like using online order. So we provide delivery to our customer who buy online that using GrabFood for service charge of delivery. So our customer are able to receive that service we provide.
So next is inventory management. Inventory management is to achieve a balance between inventory investment and customer service. It also refers to the way firms track and control business inventory, as it involves the management of raw materials, component and finished product, as well as the warehousing and processing of those goods. Inventory plays a big role in any food business, especially in the food and baked goods sector. Since almost all materials are used to make perishable cake and dry goods, it is important to have a systematic and efficient inventory management system to reduce the waste that ultimately leads to loss. So next is three needed to manage bakery inventory. First is ingredient level inventory. Change the values and ingredient with the break inventory software, as well as how many times it is run by the actual production to facilitate the most accurate inventory calculation at the exact time the recipe needs to be met. Okay, so second is purchase order. The use of this tool can help evenly Sweet Bakery Company easily in blocking vendor relationship with bakery point of sales built in purchase order feature. Okay, third is sale data and analytics. This refers to the creation of our inventory at an optimal level by knowing the type of product that sell. With Heavenly Sweet Bakery sale data available, we can find out what item our customer like the most. Thank you.
This part about scheduling. In a production or manufacturing process, service scheduling is the process of organizing, regulating, and optimizing work and workloads. From this view, we can see that Heavenly Sweets Bakery make a schedule to make it easier for employees to work smoothly. This is a schedule of Heavenly Sweets Bakery. Our operation hours is 8 hours every day and we holiday on Friday.
I will discuss about maintenance at the Heavenly Sweet Bakery. All operations involved in preserving the system capability are referred to as maintenance. In our bakery, maintenance work consists of aircon, plumbing, electronic goods, gas or electric stove, machine mixer, dough mixer, oven, water heater, and more. Each maintenance action has a specific purpose, which is to guarantee that the store products, such as machinery, are safe to use. The amount of durability of the primary that is able or not to generate a cake or bakery combination according to the collateral that has been established is known as safety. It is probable that an event such as a burden and damaged machine will occur if the machine is not maintained, because each machine must be mended to enhance its durability. In addition to achieving an appropriate amount of discretionary income, this implies that every machine must be maintained in order for it to function properly at a later period and to avoid the emergence of a degree of inefficiency in the production of a product or service, because it is used every day to manufacture various varieties of bread and cake. Our business is generally only a machine. However, additional maintenance such as air conditioning, fans, and water filter are also considered and highlighted. Following that, maintenance must be performed on a regular basis to avoid damage. Because the initial price of each item may reach thousand of ringgit, the cost of maintenance is cheaper than the cost of purchasing a machine or other products. However, by continuing towards, we will only make hundreds of ringgit twice a year.
In conclusion, it significantly aids heavily sweet in ensuring timely product delivery and properly converting raw materials into final product, which is input to output. Operations management is critical to the smooth running of a Heavenly Sweet project. Next, Heavenly Sweet is a dessert sales company that will attract a large number of clients, particularly young people. Finally, Heavenly Sweet will work hard to fulfill the public's demand for our dessert goods and to deliver satisfaction after eating them.